Sometimes you may find yourself trying to manage logs in cellular dead zones. You'll most likely notice this if your Geotab Drive app isn't automatically changing statuses for you when you're driving or you've stopped. If you've been outside of cellular connectivity for 15 minutes, you may also see a pop-up on your screen informing you of this issue. In any case where your app doesn't appear to be logging status changes, the best thing to do is to push the drive button manually right before you start driving and press the on button whenever you stop. The Go unit in your vehicle will still record your drive and on statuses throughout these cellular dead zones and will upload them to the system once you're back in range. So you're not actually going to lose any data in these cases, it's just delayed getting to your view in the app. That said, you'll still want to press these manually in case you're ever inspected while you're still in an area outside of cellular service. When you get back into cellular range, you'll probably see two of the same status logs for those times. So, for example, 2 drive logs and 2 on logs right next to each other. This is because you have the ones that you punched in manually and the automatic ones that the system uploaded later from the device. This isn't a problem, it's just something to be aware of. If you're a driver in this situation, you may notice that you still have cellular coverage on your phone or tablet. Since your Go unit may be on a different carrier's network, this means that you can have coverage on your phone or tablet, but not between the system and the Go unit, or vice versa.